Sometimes on X or Twitter, you might receive direct messages, but you may not see notifications for those messages. That's because they're disabled in your settings. In this video, we'll show you how to enable them. First, open the X application. After opening the X application, you'll see your profile photo at the top. Click on it. When you do, you'll find Settings and Support. Click on that. Then, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and you'll notice an option for notifications. Select that option. Here, you'll see Preferences. Tap on that. Then, you'll find Push Notifications. Select Push Notifications, and when you do, you'll see the push notification settings. Make sure they're turned on. Scroll down, and you'll see Direct Messages. Under that, you'll see the Direct Messages option again. Sometimes, it's disabled, which is why you're not getting notifications when messages come in. If you want to receive them, just turn this on. Then, go back, and your settings will be saved. After that, if you check again, you'll see it's turned on. Now, you'll get notifications for direct messages. That's how you can easily enable the settings. We hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.